Have you ever pondered the mysteries of the animal kingdom? Just pause for a moment and consider the vast array of creatures that share our world. From the tiny, industrious ants beneath our feet to the soaring eagles above our heads, the sheer variety is staggering, not to mention the complexity. Each animal, each species is a marvel of evolution, honed and perfected over countless millennia. But how well do we really know these fellow inhabitants of our world? Sure, we're familiar with the lions, the tigers, the bears, oh my! But what about the lesser-known facts, the surprising, the unexpected, the downright strange? There's a whole world of wonder out there waiting to be discovered. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of discovery, to learn things you never knew about the creatures we share our world with, then you're in the right place. Join us as we delve into the hidden wonders of the animal kingdom. Did you know that beautiful beaches owe their existence to a fish? Now, this might sound a little fishy, but let's dive into the world of the parrotfish. Despite their vibrant colors and seemingly benign existence, parrotfish are actually one of nature's most industrious engineers. Their diet primarily consists of coral. They use their beak-like teeth to scrape off pieces of coral, which they then grind up using a second set of teeth in their throats. This process not only helps to control the growth of coral reefs, but it also results in a rather unique byproduct. You see, the ground-up coral is excreted as fine sand. Each parrotfish can produce about a ton of sand each year. This sand is then carried away by currents and deposited onto coastlines, contributing to the formation of the sandy beaches we all love to laze on. So next time you're lying on a beach, thank the parrotfish. Ever dreamed of immortality? A certain jellyfish turned it into reality. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, a species of jellyfish with a fascinating twist on the circle of life. Unlike most creatures, their journey doesn't end with old age. Instead, they have a unique ability to revert their cells back to their earliest form, essentially hitting the reset button on their lives. Imagine it like this. It's as if an aged butterfly could transform back into a caterpillar, beginning its life cycle anew. This remarkable process allows the Turritopsis dohrnii to bypass death from natural causes, essentially granting it immortality. Of course, they're not invincible. They can still fall prey to disease, predation, or environmental hazards. But as far as old age goes, these jellyfish have it beat. They're a testament to the incredible adaptability and diversity of life on Earth. Immortality, it seems, is not just a human fantasy. Imagine an animal that can mimic almost any sound it hears. Welcome to the fascinating world of the lyrebird, an avian virtuoso with an uncanny ability to imitate. Nestled in the lush forests of Australia, this charismatic creature has a repertoire that would leave even the most seasoned impressionist green with envy. From the melodic calls of fellow birds to the ominous growls of predators, the lyrebird doesn't stop at just organic sounds. It can flawlessly reproduce the whir of a chainsaw, the click of a camera shutter, even the clang of a construction site. This is no mere party trick, though. It's an ingenious survival strategy, a way to confuse predators and woo potential mates. The lyrebird's vocal cords, complex and highly adaptable, are nature's very own sound system. It's a walking, squawking testament to the boundless creativity of evolution. The lyrebird, a true master of mimicry. Did you know some creatures can leave a part of their body behind to escape predators? Take the gecko, for instance. This clever little reptile has the astounding ability to shed its tail when threatened. And it doesn't stop there. Over time, the gecko regrows its tail, almost as if nothing happened. This fascinating yet slightly gruesome strategy is an evolutionary masterpiece, offering geckos a second chance at life. A small price to pay for survival, wouldn't you agree? What's the fastest animal on Earth? No, it's not the cheetah. It's actually the peregrine falcon, an avian marvel that puts even the fastest land mammal to shame. The peregrine falcon is the absolute champion when it comes to speed. It's not the fastest in level flight, but when it's on the hunt, this bird transforms into a bullet, reaching speeds of over 240 miles per hour. This high-speed dive, known as a stoop, is not just a show of speed, it's a strategic hunting maneuver. The falcon spots its prey from high above, folds its wings into a streamlined shape, and plummets towards the earth with breathtaking velocity. This incredible speed is not just about the thrill of the chase, It's a life-or-death strategy that ensures the peregrine falcon's survival in the wild. This remarkable bird is not just fast, it's calculated, efficient, and ruthlessly effective. The peregrine falcon, nature's speed demon. Did you know there's an animal that speaks a more sophisticated language than some humans? Yes, we're talking about prairie dogs. These small, burrowing rodents found in North America's grasslands have a surprisingly sophisticated language system. Their language is so complex that it's been likened to Morse code. They use a series of chirps and squeaks, each with unique meanings, to communicate specific information about potential threats. For instance, they have different signals for different predators like hawks, coyotes, and humans. But it's not just about identifying the type of danger. These clever critters can even describe the size, shape, and speed of an approaching predator. Prairie dogs' communication is so effective that the whole colony can respond in a unified way to threats, ensuring their survival in the wild. So, the next time you hear a prairie dog chirp, remember it's not just noise, it's a conversation. Who knew prairie dogs were such eloquent communicators? Can you guess the size of a blue whale's heart? Picture this. The largest creature on Earth, the blue whale, has a heart that's as big as a small car. Imagine, a heart that could fill the interior of a Mini Cooper. This pump, this life-giving engine, is an incredible testament to the whale's colossal size and the immense task of circulating blood through such an extensive body. It's a marvel of natural engineering and a testament to the breathtaking scale of life in our oceans. It's truly a heart that's larger than life. Ever wondered how bats navigate in complete darkness? They use a fascinating technique called echolocation, a biological sonar used by certain animals to orient themselves and locate objects. Bats emit sounds that hit objects in their environment, and by listening to the echoes of these sounds, they can determine the distance, size, and even texture of nearby objects. Now imagine you're a bat. It's pitch black, yet you're zipping through the air, dodging trees, hunting insects, all with the precision of a fighter jet. It's because the echoes you hear form a sonic map of your surroundings, and you're updating that map hundreds of times per second. What's more, different species of bats have unique echolocation calls, as distinct as the human voice. So not only are they navigating, they're also communicating, identifying each other in the dark. It's a complex and incredible adaptation. In the world of bats, who needs lights? Think you have a good memory? Wait until you meet an octopus. These extraordinary creatures have an uncanny ability to remember complex tasks after a single demonstration. Imagine learning to solve a puzzle, open a jar, or navigate a maze just by watching someone do it once. That's an everyday reality for octopuses. Their remarkable memory is just another testament to their intelligence, proving that there's so much more to these underwater marvels than meets the eye. Remember, an octopus never forgets. Ever heard of a creature that can carry 50 times its body weight? Meet the Leafcutter Ant, a testament to the wonders of nature's strength. These tiny powerhouses routinely carry leaves, many multiples of their size, back to their colonies. It's a Herculean feat that supports their complex, fungus-based ecosystem. But it's not just about brute strength. Their endurance and coordination are equally impressive, allowing them to traverse challenging terrains with their heavy loads. Small but mighty, that's the Leafcutter Ant. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing, as it helps our channel grow and continue to create new and interesting content. We encourage you to express your thoughts on the video in the comments and share our content with others.